I wanted to highlight the versatility of the seafood seasoning from the last episode and do another dish with a different flavor profile and cooking process to the kingfish. And curry shark is a dish that my mother used to make when I was growing up that I love, but I don't make it enough. So today I'm doing a quick curry shark. Starting off with some oil in a pot, you want to burn or chunky a clove of garlic. Saute onion, garlic and habanero pepper for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add some diced tomatoes. Now people do this step differently. I'm making a curry paste here. Some people like to add the curry powder directly to the oil, but this is the way I grew up seeing my mother doing it, so I follow in the tradition. To make the curry paste, you want to add just enough hot water to your curry powder to make it into a thickish paste, then add it into your pot and allow it to cook until most of the liquid has dissolved. You want to add some Spanish thyme and some shadow benny and season with some salt and black pepper. Once the curry paste has dried down, you want to add the shark. Add the shark marinated in the seafood seasoning blend for a few hours so it's good to go. You want to add it to the pot, give it a stir and then cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure not to add any additional liquid at this point. 12 to 15 minutes later and you're done. You want to add some fresh herbs to liven up the dish. Now you could go ahead and serve this with your favorite rice, or you could even eat it with like provision or roti. Let me know down in the comment section, do you add your curry powder directly to the oil or do you make a curry paste like how I did it here? The full recipe is on eatahfood.com. And if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.